Is sneezing gay? It ain't manly.
Oh, that manly. It ain't manly though.
Achoo. Like, you know what I'm about? Like, you supposed to hold your sneeze in, like, you know that.
Yeah.
Achoo. Like, then you want a nigga to bless you? Like, as a man, why are you doing things for people to say bless you? If you do sneeze though, you can't cover your nose. Fuck it. you gotta own up to it, nigga. I feel like covering your nose it might be gay. Achoo. Like, nah, nigga. Achoo. Let that bitch splatter everywhere, nigga. Own up to that shit like a man, nigga. Chest out. Chest out, nigga.
This nigga Z.
Achoo. Let that bitch splatter, nigga.